Hi, I'm Tom and welcome to Alley Picked, where today I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this old, beat up, scratched up wooden chair and give it a much better finish in an unbelievably short amount of time. I finished one of these maple chairs by stripping it down, sanding it to the bare wood, and then staining and giving it a nice, beautiful finish. It took me several days, but I've got 7 more chairs to do like this, and it's not really practical to do the same amount of work as I did on the first chair. It would take forever.
Work was hard, so we quit.
This chair that I'm about to finish is not going to look quite as good as the first one, but I guarantee it's going to be 100 times better than it is right now, and it's no longer going to be an eyesore.
Mo! I can't see!
But to show you exactly how I want to do this, I've got this clock here. I'm not going to cut away once I begin, so you'll see exactly how long it takes me. But first, let me show you some of the supplies that I have on hand. My orbital sander with 150 grit paper, 150 grit sandpaper for additional sanding, some 180 grit, some 220, and finally some English chestnut stain, which looks like a good match. I just set the clock to 12, so let's begin. It hasn't even been 15 minutes yet. Now I'm going to hand sand using 150 grit paper. I'll use it to remove any parts of the chair finish still remaining. My goal is not to sand it down to the bare wood, but to scuff up the existing finish or remove as much as possible. There's still going to be a lot of nicks and scratches left over. A lot of those remaining will be covered up by the stain and polyurethane. Here you can see that the chair is not perfect. There are some dark spots, some light spots, and no spots. But now, watch what the chair looks like after I apply a generous amount of stain using a small cloth rag. Wow, what a difference 45 minutes can make. Sanding and staining in 45 minutes, it looks way better. It's not perfect, of course, but as I said, I didn't sand this thing down completely. But man, what a world of difference in just a short amount of time. Now I'm gonna let it dry for a couple days and then give it a couple of coats of polyurethane. Not bad for 1 hour's work. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I appreciate it. I hope you're going to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.